Hey guys, it's Breakbook Gaming here, and today we're doing another episode of Phantom Forces. So let's get into this. I'm using a Karambit knife and a Dragunov SUV with a ballistic tracker. I'll leave a link at the end of the video to go see the video when I get the ballistic tracker. No! Okay, Z Hio. Z. Okay. Go. Huh. Move. Okay, let's get on to this team. Back to menu. Okay, weapon loadout. Attachments. Ballistic tracker. That looks like an iPhone, to be exact, the ballistic tracker. But it's really helpful. You guys probably will note during the video that since I have this thing on, whenever I click here to go into the scope, you're going to see a white dot over people's heads. That means if I shoot on that white dot exactly, it's an instant headshot kill. So let's get into this. Back to menu. Deploy. Gangnam Style. Do 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 do. Gangnam Style. Da 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 ba da. Ow! Okay then. I need to use more grenades more often, it means. No! Why did he have to kill me? I almost got him. No! What in the world is wrong with these campers? Doodlebanger number 1, Doodlebanger number 2. Ah, come on! I need more than 1 kill. I have 4 deaths. Gangnam Style, dude. If you guys want me to play a different game in the future, write it down in the comments and I'll play it. Yes! No! 2 for 5. This is not a good kill streak. No! Whoa! Where did you come from? Level 1? Ha, sucker. Died. Ugh. Space. Ah! Why do you have to keep killing me? I have 8 deaths, 3 kills. Run. Get that hill. No, you have to get the hill. No. Get it? Shut. Hold the base. What the? What? Hi, sucker. Julie. Who's in there to play? You. No! Ugh. Boy. Ow! I'm not flipping right. Ah, come on! No! 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 Scram! Emma, call Maisie! Hold on, guys. Go! Sorry about that, guys. My dog was just being annoying. Okay. Get back in. Okay. Probably gonna record 5 more minutes. This. Ah! Gee! No! I need to throw a frag in there. Okay, get in there. Go. Oh, come on! No! Ah! I have 16 deaths, 8 kills. This is not good. No! Ah! That's 17 deaths. That doesn't make any sense. How do we have 18 deaths? How do we have another 17 deaths? No! Ha! Duratos. Durantes. Ah! Blah, blah, blah. No! No! Why? No! Boy. No! Oh. See you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like on the channel. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and turn on the awesome likes. And turn on your notifications to be part of the notification squad. Peace out. I'm going to leave a link for different Phantom Forces episode 1 and Phantom Forces Phantom Forces the one that you guys liked the most. See ya, bye. Dun 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 bum bum bum.